A little windy, but I'm going to show you what we've got going on March 3rd in our garden here. It's a really warm day. It's like 70 degrees almost. Okay, so we got a huge wood chip pile at this end. We got a bunch of these around our garden. But I basically pulled the weeds here, there, on either side of these trellises, and put peas down in the first trellis on both sides. And we also put spinach, arugula spinach. So we also ate into this wood chip pile and spread it out on the paths back there, right here. We will do the same thing on the path here, but this is a little experiment bed. We had a path of wood chips here that had been there for a couple of years and was pretty darn thick. I'm putting that over here. It's almost completely broken down, so I'm building up this bed with the broken down wood chip pile from 2 years ago. That was our path. So just shifting it over one spot so you don't have to move it all the way across the garden for the compost. So we're going to do that here, see how it does this year. We'll probably start by planting some greens. I don't think I'll have time to do that today, but we'll plant some cold hardy greens like more spinach, arugula, or whatever. Here, maybe some that you can start under hoops, because we do already have hoops here. We can put plastic over, so you can even get a head start on some other things. But March 3rd, and we're starting on garden chores because it's nice weather. So we'll keep you updated, just periodic little videos through the season. I have another big video project that I'm working on, so I apologize that's not the same quality as it once was, but we'll update you as we go. And there are the chickens. We'll see you next time.